Hi everyone, I'm Casey, a drawing teacher by profession and your online drawing teacher. I have more than 5 years of experience as a drawing teacher in different schools. I take the initiative to teach you the basic rules of drawing and to help you to become a pro artist. I have searched so many YouTube channels, but I didn't find any helping content for beginners. So, if you think you are going to start drawing, then it is the right place for you. I hope you will enjoy.
So, let's start.
I need a pencil, a paper, a rubber, and a pencil cutter. There are two kinds of pictures. First one is portrait and another one is landscape. So I am taking my paper in a landscape position. Now at first we will make a straight line from up to down and left to right. Later then we will draw upon the line again and again, like up to down, up to down, and left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Later then we will make a circle from the left side, from that side. And we will draw it again and again in same position from the left to right, 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 left to right. Again up to down, left to right, and the circle. This is for the exercise of hand, so that our hand will get easier and we can make any straight lines or any curved lines easily. So that is for the first class. I will come with the next class, so stay tuned and stay happy. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any query, any question or any suggestion, please write on the comment box. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.